Hi, love bugs. This wonderful July full moon continues the theme of home, family, intimate relationships, and balance. This is Steph. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this meditation supports you. When you're ready, go ahead and close your eyes. Take in a nice deep breath. And exhale out nice and slow, coming into this moment, allowing the moon's light to bathe over you, to connect with your own energy, so that your journey is supported. Reminding yourself that the universe holds you and loves you and wants the best for you. Taking in another deep breath and exhaling nice and slow, letting all the stress and worry of your day just melt away so that the peace within you can start to flow and expand within you and all around you. Taking in another deep breath, and as you exhale, I want you to imagine that you are in a very special place, a place where you can relax, feel safe, and free to be yourself, a place where the moon's energy shines upon you, flows within you, and connects to your own expanded, beautiful energy. And in this place that is known only to you, you are safe, you are supported, and this place is completely protected. And while you're here, you might imagine that a spiritual advisor, your highest self, your spirit guides are there with you, supporting you and your expansive energy. And here in this place, you experience yourself at your best. And this place, you can also experience any healing, any balancing that you might need to receive right now. This healing and balancing can be physical or emotional. While you're here in this place, your relationships can be healed, your doubt can be released. You can unplug from any situation in your life that feels heavy. You can unplug from any person that feels negative. Here in this place, you can release whatever needs to be released. You can discover how you can add more ease to your life. Here in this place, you can expand your heart. Your heart energy goes far and wide, and you can keep your heart open. And as your heart remains open, you can release any irritability, frustration, doubt, disappointment. And as you keep your heart center expanded and open, you're able to think more clearly and you gather more clarity for solutions on how to find balance between work and play, to find balance in your relationships, to honor who you are, and also make sure you're showing up in a loving, supportive, healthy way in the relationships you care about. And that fun is also a priority to you. In this place, you really begin to understand that differences are okay. Differences help you understand each other, and they can actually enhance your relationship. In this place, you receive the guidance that you need in order to move forward in a way that is for your highest good and the highest good for all. Take some time and just enjoy this place. Experience your energy flowing, your heart space remaining open, and how good that feels. Imagine yourself releasing any pressure, any impatience, releasing frustration and irritability, unplugging from whatever you need to release, and allow the solutions of how to bring more ease into your life come to you. Just take a moment now and let the energy guide you and nourish you. Very well. And now, if it feels good to you, you can ask your spiritual advisor, your highest self, your spirit guides to assist you with bringing forth anything that will support you over the next few days as you bring balance into your life, as you add more ease to your life, and as you continue to release whatever it is that is good for you to release, healthy for you to release right now. Taking in a deep breath, remembering that your worth is a given and it's always flowing. Exhaling nice and slow. Taking in another deep breath. Committing to yourself to keep your heart space open so that your energy continues to uplift you and flow and support you. Taking in another deep breath and exhaling nice and slow. Reminding yourself that people are doing the best they can, including yourself. So release impatience judgment, destructive criticism. Commit to keeping your heart space open instead of closing it when fear or pain arrives. Just breathing in the energy of the universe, of the moon, of your soul. Let it guide you, support you, and let you find harmony and balance in the most uplifting and healing way. Allowing your breath to flow naturally. Having gratitude for yourself, for this practice, for the energy you've received, for the energy you've expanded, for the intention of keeping your heart space open, resisting the urge to close it, keeping your energy expanded and balanced. And when you're ready, go ahead and open your eyes, letting that gratitude and balance and clarity come with you as you re-enter into your day, your relationships, the world. Thank you so much for being here. Remember to give that like button some love and go ahead and subscribe. You're incredible, you matter, and I'm delighted you are here. Namaste.